Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
The method is simple enough for sure, even oddly satisfying to know that all you need to do is place your tea leaves and water in a clear vase and let the beams of sunlight do the rest. That's it. That's how it's brewed.
Make your mark, take our lead.
The idea with sun tea is simple. Place tea bags, or loose tea, in a glass container filled with water and set it in direct sunlight. The story is that the heat of the sun makes tea extraction faster, giving you ready-to-drink tea within a couple hours without the need to heat up water indoors.
Take our lead.
Steeping extracts antioxidants, caffeine, flavors, and aromas from tea. With hot water, it takes up to 5 minutes to brew a good cup, whereas cold steeping takes up to 12 hours and produces a smoother tasting tea that's higher in antioxidants.
Take our lead.
Do not leave the tea to brew in the sun for longer than 4 hours. Refrigerate the tea as soon as it is ready and keep it refrigerated. Add sweeteners and garnish after the tea is brewed. Waiting makes no difference flavor-wise and can prevent further bacterial growth.
Take our lead.
About 130 degrees F quick science lesson. Bacteria loves conditions between 40 and 140 degrees Fahrenheit, known in food preparation as the danger zone. Making sun tea the traditional way, in full sun heat, will only bring the water to about 130 degrees Fahrenheit, prime bacteria growing conditions.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.